Niramartha speaking from Chakwa International. This is mathematics aptitude for GATE, ESC, CSAT, CAT, JEE Advanced, JEE Main, Cbse Isc, Nda Csat. This is for the speaking about CAT 202 for these two verbal VRC collected from the CAT 2023. 4 sentence level 1, 2, 3 were given below. Algorithm hosted internet are accessed by many. Now the algorithm bias are a popular term. Despite the widespread impact relatively easier, impact of biased decision made by humans is localized, geographically confined, but with the advent of AI, the impact of decisions is spread. This is the general statement, and this is somewhat answer given in one. Always hosted internet because it widely spread. Then why it is biased? This answer 2 is the answer to 1, and this is the conclusion. 3 is the conclusion. So sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3. Sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3. In this case also, that also CAT 2, 3. You have to label 1, 2, 3 for sequentially. What precise unusual elements? It might be particularly savage and unfathomable level of depravity variable. It has something to do with the precise amount of mystery involved. Unsolved, perhaps unsolvable cases offer something ordinary but modern does not. Why some crimes destined for perpetual re-examination, others locked into permanent obscurity. This is the general statement. Why one case is perpetual re-examination, why others are discrete. Why is perpetual? Because somewhat answer given in 1, unusual element. This is others, permanent obscurity no need. Because unusual element, that's why need perpetual re-examination. This answer to 1 is given in 2. And this is a general case, unsolved. The conclusion, unsolved, perhaps unsolvable cases offer something that ordinary model does not. That is the conclusion. So your sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3. This is a data interpretation. This is a country X budget 80,000 crore. This is outlay from A to I in different sectors. You have to give in pie chart. How you calculate a pie chart? Pie chart total 80,000 crore. Total 80,000 crore in 360 degree. As per the amount, your angle will be decided. As per, because I am just giving some establishment 24,000. How 108 coming? Because 360 is equal to 80,000 equal to 360 degree. So 25,000 is equal to 108 degree. Same thing. One thing, another example, defense 8,000. 3,000 you are 360 degree for 80,000 for 360 degree, 8,000 for 30 degree. Accordingly, you have to make the pie chart. Here you have to calculate ABC Enterprises. Your 217 net asset was 55,000 crores. In 2018-19, it was increased by 20%. In 2019-20, it decreased by 10%. Again, 2020-21 increased by 5%. 20 and 22, it decreased by 10%. 22-23, it is increased by 10%. What is the at the end of the year? What is the percent of profit compared to 2017-18? That is 5,000. You go back to increase by 20%, 1.2. This is the amount. Then decrease by 20 asset, it lost 10%. That is 0.9. Again increase 1.05. Again 10, decrease 10.9. Again increase 1.1. So ultimate is coming 202223. Asset is coming 5613.3. What is the initial? 5,000. What is the profit? 613 crore over to 270. That is 12.2%. 12.2% over 217.18. Completed.